So to begin setting up the NetSuite connector, we first need to generate a few credentials in NetSuite. These are essential for connecting Salesforce to our NetSuite environment. We'll need 5 key items: the consumer key, consumer secret, token ID, token secret, and your account ID. Let's start by locating the account ID. In NetSuite, navigate to Setup, Company, Company Information. Scroll down and you'll find the account ID field. Make sure to copy it and save it because we will need it shortly. Next, we'll generate our consumer key and secret. So go to Setup, Integration, Manage Integrations, and create a new integration. You can name it something like NetSuite Connector to keep things organized. Here's an important part. Make sure the checkboxes for token-based authentication and user credentials are selected and leave all others unchecked. This is crucial for the connector to function properly. Once done, click Save. You'll be shown the consumer key and consumer secret. But remember, they're only shown once, so make sure to copy and store them securely. And now let's generate the token ID and token secret. From the home page, go to the Settings and to Manage Access Tokens. Create a new token using the integration we just set up and click Save. Again, copy the token ID and token secret immediately as they'll only appear once. And with all 5 credentials ready, we're set to move on.